Number of
number of recovery patients
right. Where?
in Sri Lanka.
Result of the COVID test.
Of the results.
Of the COVID test.
Yes. Results of the COVID tests. Yes. What else?
Informations about vaccines.
What else?
Number of dead people from COVID in Sri Lanka.
Number of
Dead people.
number of deaths or what? Number of deaths. You mean by that? Number of deaths?
Number of dead people.
Yes. Number of deaths. Marriage son. Right? Number of deaths. Number of deaths by COVID in Sri Lanka. Number of deaths by COVID in Sri Lanka. Yes, it's enough. It's more than enough. Right. Now, I'm going to give you all a little exercise. මම පොඩි exercise එකක් දෙනවා. දැන් මේ ටික පේනවනේ හොඳට නේද? Can you all look at those things? Can you all look at those things in my shared screen? පේනව නේද මගේ shared screen එකේ මේ? Right.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am going to give you all a little exercise. You take a piece of paper. You take a piece of paper. Don't do it on your book. Make a පොතේ කරන්නේ නැහැ. පොඩි කොලයක් ගන්න. Take a piece of paper, rough sheet or whatever. Right. Have you all taken it? Have you all taken the piece of paper? Don't waste a good paper. Take a rough sheet. No problem. One side used one. One side used paper. Take like that. Right. Then, by looking at those information, there are few samples of information. May body information sample tika right? Here are few sample information. By looking at those information, by reading those information, by referring those information, in case of emergency, what are the decisions can you all taken by those information in case of emergency? මේ තොරතුරු බලලා ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන් තීරණ. එහෙම නැත්තම් what are the informations among those samples? What are the informations among those samples that you all can decide, or that you all can get the decisions by referring? මේ මම මෙහෙම කිව්වොත් මේ ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන් ටික අතරින් ඕගොල්ලන්ට මොනවා හරි වෙලාවක බලලා තීරණයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන් මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? මොනවා හරි වෙලාවකදී බලලා තීරණයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන්. මොනවා හරි වෙලාවකදී බලලා තීරණයක් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන්. මොනවා හරි ඩිසයිඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන් මොනවද තියෙන්නේ?
Results of the COVID test.
ලියන්න බලන්න. නැත්තම් මෙහෙම ලියන්නකෝ. By each and every information, what are the decisions that you all can take? By each and every decision. Sorry, by each and every information, what are the decisions you can take? Use any language and write down. ඕනම භාෂාවක් පාවිච්චි කරලා ලියන්න ඉච්ච කමක් නෑ. මේ එක එක ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන් එක බලලා ඕගොල්ලන්ට හදිසියේ ඩිසයිඩ් කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් මොනවද කියලා ලියන්නකෝ. සමහර වෙලාවට හදිසි කරදරයක් වෙච්ච වෙලාවක මොනවා හරි අපි හිතමු මොනවා හරි දෙයක් දාලා ආපු වෙලාවක when you all guys lose something මොනවා හරි නැති වෙච්ච වෙලාවක when you all guys want to go somewhere else, what are the things that you all can decide by looking at those 4 informations? Understood that? මං කිව්වේ මොකක්ද කියලා තේරුණාද? දෙසඳි?
Yes, sir.
අපේලා?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now do it. I'll give you 5 minutes. විනාඩි 5ක් හරි මං පොඩි වෙලාවක් දෙන්නම්. බලන්න අර රෆ් ෂීට් එකේ ලියන්න ඕන. වැරදුනාට කමක් නැහැ. වැරදුනාට කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. බලමු ලියලා. මොනවද ලියන්නේ කියලා. Have you all finished the exercise? Oh, still doing?
Still doing, sir.
Still doing. Right. Okay. Do it. Finished? Disanthi?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Samili?
No, sir.
No. Apela?
No, sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. No problem. I think it's enough now. මං හිතනවා දැන් ඇති කියලා. We'll see. මොනවද ලිව්වේ කියලා අපි බලමුද? Up to now we'll see. What have you all written up to now? Shall we? Samili, shall we?
Okay, sir.
Yes, very good. Now who's going to start first? Who's going to start first? Who's going to start first? Oh, kawuruth naha. Raise the hand that who's going to start first. Ah, right, Apela. Yeah, very good. Right. What did you write there? Read it.
Timetable. Books we want to carry to school by referring the subjects by the timetable in each day.
Right. Okay, very
Bill-
good.
Bill from a supermarket. If the seller charges more, we can use the bill to get back the extra money we paid.
Okay, then
Bus ticket. If we kept something in the bus, we can find it using the details in the bus ticket.
yes. Okay, then
COVID, we get to know about the seriousness about the COVID and try to prevent from it.
okay, very good. Right. Then who's going to say next? Very good. Who's going to say next? Desandi, yeah. Come on.
In timetable subject, because if we not going to school, we can imagine what's the subject that is.
Ah.
Bill from a supermarket, price of the good, because it's very cheap, uh, very high price. We try another one. Bus ticket, seat number, because when we sit near COVID patient, we can know it. In COVID results of the COVID test, because negative or positive.
Yes, very good. Very good. Then Samili.
Timetable. Number of books we kept to the school. Bill from a super cashier, give bill for us. Check the food items. Bus ticket. Start and destination of the journey. COVID, using the method of prevent from COVID and protect from COVID.
Yes, right. Okay. Very good. Three of you girls done a very good job. Right. Now we'll see this. Then by the timetable, you all can get properly designed what are the books to be arranged for each day. What are the books to be arranged for each day? Who are the teachers are coming in each day for the entire subject? By the timetable, you all can get designed that properly, because in your timetable, it mentions the days, it mentions the subjects, it mentions the times and name of the teachers for each subject. Yes, it's correct. Bill from a supermarket. Yes. In Apela's answer, she said, if some supermarket charge extra from us, when we are referring the bill, if we realized the particular supermarket has already charged extra from us, we can take the particular bill to the supermarket and show them, and we can deduct the price, or we can get back the extra cash from them that they charge, right? Correct. Buy the bus ticket. If we lose something on the bus, if we had the ticket, by that we can track the particular bus. ටිකට් එක අපි ගාව තියෙනවා නම් අපිට මේ බස් එක ට්‍රැක් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද්ද බස් එක ආනේ මේ බස් නම්බර් එක තියෙනවා. right? ඕකෙන් අපිට බස් එක ට්‍රැක් කරගන්න ට්‍රැක් අවුට් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. මොකද්ද බස් එක මෙන්න මේ බස් එකේ තමයි මේක නැති වෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. කියලා හිතලා ඒකේ බස් එකේ ආයව සොයාගෙන අපිට ඕන කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම එකක් නැති වෙලා තිබුණාද කියලා හරි අපිට අහන්න පුළුවන්. By COVID. What was your answer, Apela, in COVID?
We get to know about the seriousness about the COVID and try to prevent from it.
Yes, we get to know about the seriousness of the COVID and try to prevent from it. Yes. Desanti, what's your answer there?
Results of the COVID test.
Yes, results of the COVID test, right? Your one, Samili.
Using method of prevent from COVID
Yes.
and
Yes.
protect from COVID.
We can protect from COVID. Yes. අපි එනවා time table එකට ආයිසනයක්. We are coming to the timetable. Again, අපි එනවා එකටයි. By this, in this timetable, we can properly have an idea. We can have a clear idea. We can have a clear idea. Think today's Monday, tomorrow. We can have a clear idea about what are the subjects to be done on tomorrow by the timetable. Who are the teachers will be teach each subject on tomorrow, isn't it? Am I correct or not? Because today is Monday, then Tuesday. By this timetable, we can have a clear idea what are the subjects that we are going to learn on tomorrow, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next day, tomorrow, we can have a clear idea about the subjects that we are going to learn on the next day. ඊළඟ දවසේ ඉගෙන ගන්න යන subjects ටික ගැන අපිට clear idea එකක් මේකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Clear idea. Clear idea. හරි නියම idea එකක්, decision එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට අපි හිතමු අපිට we'll think tomorrow on our next day. Next day means tomorrow. Think tomorrow in our timetable there are science, maths and English. Especially in our timetable, it shows as tomorrow subjects as science, maths and English. By the other hand, tomorrow we should tomorrow we have to participate to one of our friends or one of our relations relations arms giving. හිතන්න හෙට අනිත් පැත්තෙන් හිතන්න හෙට අපිට අපේ relation කෙනෙකුගේ දාන ගෙදරකට සහභාගී වෙන්න තියෙනවා. By referring the timetable, we found on tomorrow we have science, maths, and English. So by that, we can decide whether are we participating to the alms giving or not. Why? Because by referring the timetable, we saw on tomorrow we have most important subjects to us: science, maths, and English. Understood? අපිට හෙටම තියෙනවා දානේ ගෙදරකට යන්න අපේ නෑදෑයෙක්. right? ඒත් එක්කම අපි මේ ටයිම් ටේබල් එකත් රිෆර් කරලා බලනවා. හෙට මොනවද subjects? right? maths, science, and English. ඊට පස්සේ decide කරනවා. right? හොඳම subjects තුනක් තියෙන්නේ. මේක කට් කරන්නත් බෑ. දැන් හෙට දානේ ගෙදර යනවද නැද්ද? We can take a clear decision by that. Understood that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. On a timetable එකෙන් අපිට decision එකකට එන්න පුළුවන් තරක් තමයි මම මේ කිව්වේ. Timetable is the information. By the particular information, we can have a proper decision. Right? Here, bill from a supermarket. Supermarket එකෙන් ගෙනාපු bill. Right. So when we are referring the supermarket bill and when we are comparing the supermarket bill with the goods that we taken from the food city, අපි අපේ බිල සුපර්මාකට් එකෙන් ගෙනාපු බඩු ටිකත් එක්ක කම්පෙයාර් කරලා බලනකොට we found the supermarket people have already add few extra goods that we did not order. අපි order කරපු නැති extra goods දෙකකුත් මේකට දාලා තියෙනවා. They have already added to the bill, but it was not with the goods that we bought. Bill එකට දාලා තියෙනවා අපි order නොකරපු extra goods දෙකක්. හැබැයි අපි ගෙනාපු බඩු ටික ඒ ටික නැහැ. ඒ extra goods දෙක නැහැ. It means they have already charged extra from us. අපෙන් වැඩිපුර charge කරනවා. Right. So in the particular bill, we have the supermarket name and the time and the cashier's name and all the goods that we purchased. So now we are going to the particular supermarket. අපි යනවා දැන් ඒකට by taking the bill. Bill එකත් අරන් යනවා supermarket එකට. ගිහිල්ලා කියනවා. So when we are going to went to the go to supermarket and inform them that you all have already charged extra by adding 2 goods to this bill. We did not even taken those 2 goods with us. අපි ඒ goods ඒ බඩු දෙක අපිත් එක්ක අරගෙන ගිහිල්ලත් නැහැ. හැබැයි ඕගොල්ලෝ මේකට extra දාලා තියෙනවා, extra charge කරලා තියෙනවා. Then they can check the particular bill with their system and they can sort it out it. ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේක sort out කරන්න පුළුවන්. Because each and everything has systemized. System වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ නිසා check කරාම පේනවා stock එකෙන් අර බඩු දෙක අඩු වෙලා නැහැ. හැබැයි මෙතන bill එක extra වැටිලා තියෙනවා. That is their fault. Then after checking everything, they will return the extra cash they charge from us. thereafter, we can have a decision whether are we going again to this supermarket or not. අපි මේක බලලා දැන් මේ බිල බලලා ඩිසිෂන් එකකට එනවා. අපි ආපහු මේ සුපර් මාකට් එකට යනවද නැද්ද කියලා තීරණය කරනවා. එහෙමනේ. ඇයි මේගොල්ලෝ එක්ස්ට්‍රා charge කරා? මං ආපහු ගිහිල්ලා මේක හදා ගන්න ඕන. ආයිසරයක් යන්න ඕන. මේක කරදරයක්. By that we are clearly deciding whether are we going to this supermarket or not again. Understood? මේක බලලා තමයි මේ ඩිසයිඩ් කරේ. මේක බිල දැක්කට පස්සේනේ අපි දැක්කේ මේකේ වැඩිපුර charge කරලා තියෙනවා. වැඩිපුර අපෙන් සල්ලි අරන් තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා අපි ආයි ගිහිල්ලා මේක සල්ලි අරන් ආවා. දැන් අපිට කරදරයක්. ආයි හිතනවා අපි ආයි බඩු ගත්තත් අපිට මේ දේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ නිසා මේක බලලා අපි ඩිසයිඩ් කරනවා ආයි යනවද නැද්ද. By this also we can have a clear decision. Decide whether are we going to this market or not. මේකට අයි යනවද නැද්ද කියලා ඔන්න තීරණය කරන්න. බස් ටිකට් එක හිතන්නකෝ. මේ බස් එකේ ගිහිල්ලා ආවට පස්සේ after traveling by this bus we missed one of our important thing. What we think? One of our pouch, think it consists our national identity card and bank cards, and sum of money, right? Then what we have to do? We have the particular ticket, right? Okay, yes, we have traveled by this bus. Number there, bus number there, then the route number there, name of the bus also there, and time also there, this time to this time, and location also there. It means starting point and the destination, right? What we have to do is we are going to the major bus stand. Think yes, according by taking the particular ticket and by referring from them we can find the particular bus. අපිට bus major bus stand එකට ගියාම එතකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ ticket එක දීලා there's an office in the bus stand. By checking with the office people and we can track the bus එක track කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Thereafter we can meet their driver and the conductor and we can ask from them. We have already gone by this bus during this period. When we are traveling by that, we have loosened my pouch like that. Then they will also help us to find this. ඒගොල්ලත් මෙහෙම දැක්කද කියලා බලලා ඒ පාර ටිකට් එක මේක සොයනවා, right? Sometimes there may be a possibility to find the particular pouch, but if we did not have the particular ticket with us, can we get decide to which can we get decide by which bus can we inquire this, by which